Hi everybody, Andrew Mitchum here, the Forex Trading Coach. Welcome along. Today is Friday the 5th of October and I'm back home after a week away. Had a fantastic week away, back into the office again this week. Well, had a really good week with my trades this week. I'm up plus 1.5% and that's by risking only a quarter of 1%, so 0.25% risk per trade. So a 1.5% gain for the week so far. I'm not expecting probably many more trades for the day. I do have one trade open on the Euro US dollar. I'm long on that at the moment. But we have the US non-farm payrolls, the monthly unemployment data, coming out later tonight my time, Friday morning New York time. Judging by what I can see on the charts at the moment, obviously the euro has been in a lot of strength. And at this stage, I see no reason for that not to continue. The US dollar is looking weak, and so my feeling at this stage would be that the non-farm payroll data is more than likely going to come in at expected or probably below expectation. That would be my feeling right now from looking at the charts. If I have any shorter time frame chart trades open before the news, I will be closing those. My daily trades, I'll probably be keeping them open but monitoring them just before that announcement. It's pretty much the only major news announcement that I'm wary of because you can get such big movements and a lot of volatility. With the rest of my trades, my silver trade is still open. It's just over the $35 at this stage, and I see no reason for that not to continue. It's looking really strong on the longer term charts, with a long way still to go on that. With my clients, we've had a really good webinar. Last night we had a 2-hour live trading room webinar with just over 2 hours. We took some really good trades in there. I also concentrated on going back to basics, and it's really important for us as traders to remember the fundamental basics of trading. It helps to keep our mindset straight, it helps us with our emotions, and it helps us to select the good trades and to eliminate those sort of 50-50 trades that we really don't need to be taking, especially in this current environment. And it is a very difficult trading environment right now. So we need to be really selective and get back to basics and pick out the higher probability trades. Looking ahead into next week, on Monday there is a Japanese, a US and a Canadian holiday all on Monday. So I'm not anticipating a lot of price action on Monday, probably going to be quite a fairly quiet day. And then later in the week on Thursday, there's Australian news out. Looking at the Australian dollar throughout the whole of this week, it's just crashed. The Aussie dollar, US dollar has just fallen away, and that's really come about as a result of the cash rate dropping. That dropped 0.25% on Tuesday. They've had trade balance figures that have been really bad, and next week they've got employment data. So looking at the charts, I'd anticipate that the Australian dollar is more than likely going to continue to fall at this stage. This time last week, last Friday, we did have a nice engulfing candle formation on the daily charts, which was suggesting the Australian dollar was looking like it was going to fall, and we did see that follow through into this week. So looking at it right now, we could see that Australian dollar continue to fall into next week. So that's all for now. Hope you've enjoyed the session, and I look forward to talking to you this time next week.